Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can record a game on your Windows laptop. So this is on my Windows 11 laptop. For example, if you're playing any game, for example, Counter-Strike or any other game which is installed on this laptop computer, if you want to record that while you're playing, record your actions, record your game, it is very simple. Just you need to enable one single option. So click on the Windows logo key and then click on settings. So this will open Microsoft Windows 11 settings, and here you will find an option called gaming. So tap on this and game bar, and the second option capture. See here, save the location recording preferences. Tap on this and see here, when you record something, this is the default location where your video gets saved. The game video gets saved. See here, see users, your internal folder, videos capture. So find the videos once you record this. And how to record, you can actually change this also. How to, you can click this, and if you want to change to a different folder, you can change it and record what happened. When something cool happened in your game, press Windows logo key plus Alt plus G at the same time. Means you need to press and hold Windows plus Alt plus G to record a game, but first of all you need to enable this. See here, as of now this is disabled. If you just enable this, enable from on to off to on, this key Windows logo Alt plus G works actually. See here, I just pressed it now. When I click on capture the video, it gets start recording. So as of now I'm not doing this, but if you're playing a game, then if you want to record something, then in that case it gets useful. And below is the, so yeah, below is the number of hours, means default. It can be 30 minutes, it can be 2 hours. Automatically after the 2 hours it gets stopped. Capture audio when recording game. If you want the audio to be recorded, you can keep it on. If you want to off it, you can off it. And FPS rate, whether you want 30 FPS or 60 FPS. 30 FPS will be smooth, so better it is. Okay. Video quality, high or standard, whatever the may be high. If you take high, the memory it takes will be high. So this is how you can record a game with available options on your Windows laptop or computer. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do share it to others, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.